Welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I'm Tara, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use IndySoft's global preferences. IndySoft's Profile Manager offers a powerful tool, the global preference dialog that administrators can use to set and enforce system-wide preferences across all usernames and locations. This can be beneficial when it comes to standardization in your system, time efficiency, and preventing configuration errors. This tutorial will guide you through using the Global Preference dialog to establish and enforce standardized settings. So once in IndySoft, we are going to navigate to Profile Manager. You will need System Administrator access in order to access Profile Manager. Once in Profile Manager, we'll navigate to Management. Here we can see all the different options for setting up global preferences. I'm going to be setting up full client global preferences, which will affect my full client users. The global preference dialog will appear. This dialog mirrors the user location settings, but with an added feature. Each preference in this dialog includes a system-wide toggle on the right side. Enabling this toggle indicates that the preference will be enforced across the system and cannot be changed by individual users or locations. Once we're in this dialog, we can review the preferences and toggle system-wide for the settings that need to be universally enforced. For instance, enabling SMTP-based email settings for all users and locations. Once you've adjusted the preferences, you can save your changes. Users will notice the system-wide settings in their user location settings. The user location settings system-wide overrides will indicate which preferences are enforced and disabled from user modification due to system-wide settings. The Global Preferences feature in Profile Manager is an effective way to ensure uniformity across user settings and locations. By setting preferences as system-wide, administrators can streamline and enforce standardized configurations throughout the entire system.